When you trimmed your videos on the timeline, and now you want to put them together, but the number of cuts takes a lot of time. At such a moment, you can easily combine all the videos. Select Videos on the timeline and choose Sequence. Then, close the gap. Also, there is another way. Create a new adjustment layer. Bring it down from the project window. Put it on the timeline above of your videos. Then select Caught Videos and bring it up. This action will cut out an adjustment layer. Now bring your videos back down. Select Caught Adjustment Layer and choose Function Ripple Delete. That's all. Thanks for watching Premiere Pro Quick Tips.